Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today you get the chance to work through another Hyperdoc. This time I am here and I am so excited to be with you. In this video, I am going to read the steps to you. Remember that you do not have to watch this whole video before you begin. All you need to do is maybe listen to me read one section, pause the video, go back to the tab, do that work, and then you can go ahead and go to the next section. Go back to the video, I'll read that section, and then go ahead and pause the video, go do your work, and so on and so forth, because I think it might take too much time for you to just listen to the whole thing. Okay, so today, that says something different. It says adding two-digit numbers with 10 frames. Instead of 10 frames, you are adding two-digit numbers today with 10s and 1s. I'm going to go ahead and make that smaller because I don't want it to mess up our document. Adding two-digit with numbers with 10s and 1s. And you clicked here to watch this video that you're watching right now. First, it says engage. Number 1, watch this video. This is just a picture of the video. If you click on it, it won't do anything. You have to click right here where it says video and then click there and it will open the video. Watch the video. It's a pretty fun little song about adding 10 with 10s and 1s. After watching the video, look, you have a talk section. It says talk with your partner about the question. Here's the question. How can 10s and 1s help you add two-digit numbers? So think about what the video is talking about. How can 10s and 1s help you add two numbers that have 2 digits in them? Okay, so after you talk to your partner, you can go back to the video to listen to me read the next section. The next section says, explore. This is a chance for you to explore the skill and practice. First, you will watch this video. It's me. I made you a video on the tools we're going to use. Number 2, work with your partner to finish the problem I started above. So in that video, I didn't finish it. So you need to work with a partner to finish the problem. I want you to either use your Number Pieces app on your iPad, or you can use Real Base 10 blocks. These are the blocks with 10s and 1s that are stacked up on the left side of our math tool cupboard. After you solve that with your partner, you get to watch another video to see if you solved it the same way as me. So it says watch this video to see how I solved it. Remember, you just click where it says video, open the link. When you are done, click on the X and go back to your Hyperdoc. And then do not skip this part. Never skip any parts of a Hyperdoc. We always go down in order and we do all the steps. It says talk to your partner. It has several questions for you to answer. Did you get the correct answer? Did you get the same answer as Mrs. Peril? Did you solve it in the same way or differently? So maybe you did the same as I did, or maybe you did something different. If you did something different, talk to your partner to answer the question, how did you solve it differently? And this question says, why did it work? And I want you to also talk about, or why did it not work? So that's pretty important too. So now you've finished the Explore section. Go back to the video if you need help reading, and you will get to the Explain section. The Explain section is very, very important. It is Nearpod, and it is where you start to turn in some of your work so that I can see that you are understanding what to do. So, just like you normally do, go to Nearpod on your iPad and enter the code HOPER. Watch the videos just like normal and then check with Mrs. Peril when you finish the lesson to see how you did. I want every single student to be getting through at least the explain part every day because this means that you've watched the videos but you've also done some math and you've shown me whether you can do it or not. So when you look at a Hyperdoc, you don't have to do all of it. You just have to go in order and do as much as you can, but I want you to at least finish, engage, explore, explain. It's very important. If you finish your Nearpod, you checked with Mrs. Peril, you were doing great. You get to move on to apply. On apply, you are going to first roll a 9-sided dice to create a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. That's not correct. You're going to create two 2-digit numbers. Because yesterday you did one 1-digit. Today you do a 2-digit number plus a 2-digit number, just like the videos you've been watching. So if you've created your numbers, it says create a video showing how you added the 2 numbers using base 10 blocks. And this says you can use book creator, explain everything, draw and tell, and it says number of frames, but I'm going to go ahead and change that because that needs to say number piece. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I changed this. I want you to either use book creator, explain everything, I can help you use that, or draw and tell, or number pieces app to create your video. Now I added one more picture because you might just use real base 10 blocks and make a video using your iPad camera. You can make a video using any way you choose that you know how. If there's one you want to learn more about, talk to me and I can help you figure that out. So it says create a video showing how you added the 2 numbers using base 10 blocks. So your job is to create a video kind of like the one I did showing how you add 2-digit numbers. You get the numbers by rolling a 9-sided dice 4 times to get 2 numbers that have 2 digits. Okay, so now you've created this awesome video. What do you do with it? Go to the share section. It says when you are done, share your video by uploading it to the hashtag 6.3 math work on Google Classroom. Don't confuse that with the 6.2 math lesson work that's on Google Classroom. It has to say hashtag 6.3 math work. You will upload your video, and then if you come back to the document, it says view your classmates' videos by clicking here. So if you click here, it's going to open a link to a folder, and that folder is going to have all the videos of the students who have already made their video, and you'll get to watch their videos. Okay, so you shared your work. You can see everybody else's work. The next section says reflect. Look, it says talk to a partner. That black and yellow always means talk to a partner. Remember to talk with your math partner. Talk to a partner about 2 videos from your classmates. So you're going to watch 2 videos that are in that folder that I showed you. Here are the questions you will answer. How did the person solve the problem? Did they get the correct answer? Why or why not? Answer all 3 questions for both videos. Finally, after you've talked to your partner, you can go to the extend section. It just says, get a math flyer from the pile, start on the back page, check in with Mrs. Perrell after each page. This is just for me to make sure that you are truly understanding how to do the math, and I'm just going to have you do a few problems, and then I want to see it, and when I believe and I feel comfortable that you understand it, I will have you take that home, and then you will get to work on Prodigy. It says get on through Symbaloo and sign in with Google, and on your Hyperdoc, you have picture directions for exactly how to log into Prodigy. Use this video as much as you need. You can go back to different parts to see me reading. Do your best. Follow every step in order because this is how you are going to learn the most. Have fun!